Hi everyone. You have an assignment here to introduce yourself to the class, and we're going to use technology to do this since we're online. And what I ask you to do is first you're going to start with replying to these two prompts here. And it's asking you to introduce yourself, your ideas on learning about the environment, and concerns you have about online learning. So when you hit reply, you're going to insert media, upload recording of media. And you're going to click on record. And if you have a webcam, you can see me right here. Hi. If you don't have a webcam, you'll go to mic. And if you have a webcam, it will automatically default. And then you start your recording. So I'm going to do that now. I am recording my responses in 30 seconds to the questions on the post. I can finish it or I can start over. I'm going to finish. So now I'm going to give it a title. I'm introducing myself. I can put my name or whatever I want to do. I'm going to save my media. And it's going to automatically embed it into this right here, into your response. If it's an audio recording, it will show an audio link. And if you're doing audio, then you're also going to have to insert an image of yourself that you're going to upload so that we have some level of visual aid of who you are, since you're not recording yourself with a webcam. Now, to post your reply to somebody else, so this is to your own self. Well, first I have to post this. So now that it's posted, let's just pretend this is somebody else. So you want to look for other people that have recorded, and you're going to reply to them. And you're going to do the same thing. You're going to insert, and you're going to go to media and upload the record media, and then you're going to hit record, and then you're going to respond. So this is how you're going to do it. And here I give you the instructions on what you have to do to reply to others. So right here, it's in your reply to a peer, you're going to go to resources and share one thing that can help your peer with their concern on taking an online class. And I'm asking you to please record your response the same way you did for your post. So I hope this really helped you learn how we can use technology to kind of be more personal in our interactions. We can see each other. We can record our responses. We don't have to type everything all of the time, and we can hear each other. I know some of you might be shy, but if we were in class, I would ask you to speak as well. So this is helping us kind of get comfortable speaking with each other, and I really hope that this helped you learn how to record introducing yourself to the class. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please let me know.